Check in then on Europe, which has just opened for trades. We've got Darren Sinden, who's a senior sales trader at Silverwind Securities, joining us on the phone line from London. Darren, what should we expect the markets will trade like today? We did see Europe trading strong yesterday on expectations of a QE3 coming.
Yes, I think we are going to follow through again. Obviously, a very strong US session, and that obviously span over into Asian markets, and Europe is trading better. It'd be interesting to see just how far the European markets can push on. Mr. Bernanke is obviously trying to keep everybody happy, and some people would question whether there's really a need for accommodative policy there and prefer the QE, given the strength of economic data coming out of the US. But for the moment, the Fed's saying that's the way they're going to play it, and European markets are likely to pick up. FTSE is up around about 20 points at the moment, back above key levels about 5,900. So I think playing it on the long side for now, but obviously people will have an eye on the situation in Spain, which could come back to haunt the market, I think, in the near future.
So Darren, in the medium term, do you think that the markets are likely to ride higher based on those comments made by Ben Bernanke? And what do you make of Angela Merkel's statements that the Greek exit from the Eurozone would be absolutely catastrophic and an economic and political mistake for the entire Eurozone?
Will the markets trade higher, first of all? Yes, we started the year with the idea that we'd see modest bounces across most European markets, and I think that's still likely to be the case. But I think you have to be quite selective in terms of where you put your money and look for stocks really that have got exposure to the USA. As to the situation in Greece, that's not really been fixed at all. All they've done is defer the problems there. They're likely to come back and perhaps ask for more money before 2015. It's unlikely that the government will reach the targets for GDP and debt ratios. In the same way, really, it's going to be very difficult for the Spanish to meet their new fiscal discipline rules. So I think it would be problematic for Greece to leave the euro, but until they find a long-term final solution to both the problems in Greece and Spain, there'll always be that possibility.
All right, Darren, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining in and giving us that perspective.